Eye contact. How many times you have purchased anything from any salesperson who was avoiding to make the eye contact? What do you perceive when someone is not looking into your eyes? What do you think? I mean, is it a good feeling or a bad feeling? Probably you may think that someone is hiding something and that's why he's not looking into your eyes. And this is how your prospect, your customer see you as well. Whenever you go for any kind of negotiations, whenever you go to close any kind of deal, or whenever you go to in any kind of settings, make it as a habit. Look into the eyes, right into the middle. Make a right eye contact. There are some salespersons, you can experience it by yourself. They're looking at the computer, they're looking at the books, and they're looking into the bills, or they're looking around and they're just trying to avoid to make the eye contact. And for some reasons, if you're not making any kind of eye contact, so that can trigger some kind of alarm back end of his mind that might be the salesperson is overselling or promising something, or is trying to hide something, or if there is something that he needs to know, the customer needs to know before signing the contract, before closing the deed. This single eye contact can create a lot of problem if you're not making it rightly. Although you have done everything right, you are in the positive attitude, you have the right product in your hand, your product matched with everything what they requires, but now what is missing? You're not making the right eye contact, and that has started creating doubts in the customer's mind. And now what going to happen? He gonna prolong the sales process. He is not gonna buy it right, not right today. Before visiting you, might be he has made his mind that he's gonna purchase it right today, right now, right today. But because you're not making the right eye contact, now he has started delaying it. And once he started delaying it, it's mean he gonna look around as well. He gonna consult with your competitors as well, and it's your sale is at a risk because you were not able to make the right eye contact. So I believe that you're gonna work on it and you're gonna improve your sales. Have a nice day. Bye.